Welcome to a short presentation about the fabulous Buccaneers Lego Mining Center Camp, held in the spring 2017. Let's start with a view of the mining center at the end of our exciting week. First we see one of the computer-controlled excavators that shoveled ore from a pit onto a conveyor belt. The excavator has 3 motors, and is controlled by a WeDo program. The conveyor belt then rolls the ore into a train wagon, which is pulled by a Lego remote-controlled train.
The train will pull the wagon down the tracks, and it passes by mountains that have wind generators on their tops. The wind generators supply electricity to the mining center. The final destination is the sorting center. Here the wagon is tipped into a container that will be lifted by a crane onto another conveyor belt. The ore will fall from the conveyor belt into the large aggregate sorting machine, which separates large pieces away from the smaller ones.
Here we see an initial attempt of excavating ore. The children were able to load much more ore into the scoop with practice. Future mods will include a bigger base.
Children individually built machines and robots. However, what is different in themed camps such as this one, is that children work in a project environment, and they have to fit the pieces together to make a whole. This is how engineering teams work. Anyone can crunch numbers, but working well with others is the most important skill of our new century, and that is why themed camps are so important. Children learned that robotic builds such as a forklift and a robot arm did not fit the project, and were set aside, even though it was enjoyable building them. Children decided themselves what worked and what did not fit, and they spontaneously joined together in small think tank groups whenever necessary, to link parts of the project and modify builds to make a cohesive functioning system.
You have to load this.
How did you think about it? Do I brace it up? Wait, take a video of how you split.
Oh, what's it doing there? So that came out of the car?
There's 3 fingers inside it. Now that 3 sticks. The small ones go through, and that makes it go over there. The big ones, they don't go through, and then they pop out there. And sometimes it screws up. Keep going. No, keep spinning. Up. Oh yeah. Keep spinning. There we go.
Oh, I see the sorters.
Spinny thing here?
Where are the little pieces?
What's spinning? What is this here for? Here's a little piece.
I love everything I created, like that and that.
I created. We need some more small pieces here. Yeah. Load her up.
Load up the crane.
Trade. Could you?
Thank you for watching our brief video about the mining center. Thanks to the parents and children that made it so much fun and possible. See you in the next camps.